Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, there are two patterns are forming that you have to understand on a weekly chart, okay, and a day-wise chart. On day-wise chart I'll explain you tomorrow, and a small short video I have created for the day-wise chart. You can check it for tomorrow. Look at this particular trend. There is a clear U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall because we have seen a profit booking has come at this level, okay, and after this particular level what we have seen, a swing has formed, and after that there is a continuous upside, okay, and there is a gap is still pending at a level of $3.5. So you have to understand that if the price fall below 3.8, we can see it will go further down and it can touch a level of $3.5. This is what we can see. Okay, now if the price keep moving up this level, we can see it can touch a level of $4.78. If the price moving up that particular level, chance of touching 4.85 is there. Okay, and you have to understand that if the price keep moving up a level of 4.57, there is a higher chances of upside because it is a strong level, okay, strong support. So if we started going upside, we can from there it can go further upside towards a level of around 4.85 and then a further upside towards 4.9. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further rise. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. As soon as the price started sustaining of 4.85, chances are high it will cross a level of 4.9, because this 4.9 is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level, and from there it will touch a level of $5.2. And once the price sustains above 5.2, a further upside can be seen towards a level of $5.4, and if that sustain, we can see a further high. But remember that as soon as the price sustaining above that level, a further upside can be seen. But suppose if the price started coming down, what we can see, suppose if it started coming down, because see, if we see the dollar index, it is rising, okay, and they are both inversely related to each other. So when dollar index rises, we see the price of natural gas comes down, and if the dollar index moves down, we see the price of natural gas goes up. Okay, and if you look at this trend, what we can see, suppose if the price started coming down, we can see a level of $4.49, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 4.4 is there. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching $4.2 is there. This $4.2 is, we can see, for a bounce back from this level, but if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 4.08 is there. Okay, and this $4 we can see a bounce back from this level, but if the price falling below that particular level, chance of going further down can be seen, and yes, after that we can see the price can move towards $3.6, and then we can see a bounce back can be filled. You have to understand, as soon as the price started falling below this level, chances of going towards 3 point is on a higher side, and this gap will be filled towards a level of 3.5. okay, because if you look at this trend, 3.66 level, from there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can move towards $3.5 and then a further low.